Hello guys, right, Saturday morning. I didn't intend to make this video, but CryptoPiles asked a question and I hate writing, so I thought I'd make another video. So first off, let's have a look at H4. H4 is not confirmed to the upside, or not reversed to the upside, 3 candle reversal. So that's the lowest low there. That is the penultimate low, if you like, but if you were going down you would use both candles, but as we're looking for the high we just use the one candle. The reason for that is you don't want to have a break of that support line and then consider trading straight into that support line. I mean, you can, but it's highly risky. I'd rather see a break of that support line as well, which is probably, I'm not going to look at it, but it's probably a daily chart. If I look at it I'll get taken off course, as it were. So H4, best indicator for a change of direction was the red close of the RSI histo. I need to make a video about this because and I'm going slightly off course now, but it's important to remember that the RSI histo has only been with me less than a year, probably 7 or 8 months, maybe a bit less. I've always relied on candlesticks and other indicators, but this thing in my mind is solid gold. And as I said right at the start, this has got so many little secrets and quirks that we will find, and hopefully others will find and alert me to them. Some have already, and I thank you for that, Andy. So it is worth noting all your higher time frames, see what's going on. Whenever I take a trade, I always now flick between every time frame to check what the RSI is doing. So H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, M1, constantly double checking before I enter to make sure that I'm always in alignment. In other words, this has to be red when I want to enter. There are a few caveats, and I can't off the top of my head remember them at the moment, but if it looks wrong, don't trade it. That's all there is to it. So H4 screaming lack of momentum to the long side. It can reverse. You know, you have to use every other tool in the toolbox that I put on these videos and on the Twitter feed. Best Forex method, one word, in case you're not aware of Twitter, my Twitter feed rather. So H4 telling us we don't need an H4 reversal to the downside, we can attack the levels. H1 has just now confirmed to the downside, 3 candle reversal through loads of support. Actually, that's the reversal candle. Then, as I said before, be careful of the second candle that's close to it. Always add them together and just take the lowest reversal level, safest that way. So because we don't have 2-hour charts, that's always in the back of my mind. If we had 2-hour charts, then it might be clearer, but unfortunately MT4 doesn't do that. I know you can get them on offline charts, but I'm not that anal, to be honest with you. So 30-minute crypto, you asked me if the 30-minute was relevant. Well, back into that conversation about H4, which was partly why I did it, the 30-minute hadn't reversed to the upside. Okay, so all we needed was a 15-minute reversal to the downside to put us back in alignment. I hope that makes sense. 30-minute had reversed with this candle here. Low, high, high, low, high, high. 3 candle reversal. The third candle is the one that breaks the reversal level. And then that's swing 1, 2, 3. 3 is always the break and close on the 3CR. That's the accumulation phase, level 4, and then I couldn't take the trade because we were in a 15-minute reversal phase. There's the 15-minute reversal long. I categorically had to cancel that out with my new 15-minute here, then wait for the inevitable pullback that I talk about all the time, which is what I did. And as you can see, you've got the power move down there, the breakthrough the -20 level, massive momentum. Well, it's a no-brainer when you look at the candle, but still, you know, you have to maintain the discipline. In my opinion, there was no way you could attack that level on a 1-minute chart, of course, and plenty do. I don't like to put those sort of trades. I do take them, but I don't put them up on the Twitter feed, because they are sort of breaking the rules. So, but you know, this is a swing in its own right. That's a trend break in its own right. So if you had a 5-minute reversal, then there's no reason why you shouldn't attack that 15-minute reversal level down with it. But it's just more more advanced. You know, there's the up swing there. That's the 2 high, low, lower high once this is broken with the 5-minute there. So it was a valid trade, but just not the safest trade. I hope that makes sense. So then I watched the pullback. That was the 15-minute to the downside. I am digressing now, crypto, apologise, but hopefully I've answered your question now. The 30-minute hadn't reversed up. Wait for the 15-minute to come back in alignment with all the other time frames, and then we can enter. And as I always say, you will get a pullback as a result of break of a level. That's what happened. That's what I waited for patiently. And there's the reversal. Entered on the break of the -20, momentum again, and tiny bit of drawdown. I think there was probably about 8 to 10 pips drawdown. Nothing to worry about. Then boom, down it went. I just took it to the hourly H1 reversal level was here, or the H1 reversal level should I say, and the pivot was down here. That's not on my charts at the moment. Bounced off the pivot like clockwork, and as I say, now we've had the H1 reversal to the downside. We had the pullback, which was this one, and then we look like we're going down again. So I'm going to do some more in-depth analysis and see whether I can get another trade, if I can be bothered. I've got things to do today. So thanks for watching. Have a good Saturday and Sunday.